was always an outlet. It was something that I went to because I felt I didn't want to deal with circumstances or situations that arose. It was basically in high school, just doing things here and there. And then, of course, as I got older, it got worse.
I learned about marijuana when I was like around 13 years old, 14, and in learning, my curiosity kind of got the best of me. From there, my addiction really took off. Before, I was addicted to like certain things, but this was something that really took my life in a complete different way.
My lowest point in my addiction was I honestly felt helpless. I felt like I had nothing going for me. I had lost everything I had once worked for. I felt like there was no reason for me to even keep going forward. I felt like I was fighting a fight that wasn't there. I honestly felt like I had no reason to even keep driving forward.
So my lowest point definitely had to be when I was in a rooming house. I had given myself that ultimatum, the choice between a baby, having a child, and doing drugs. I think at that point I was so numb and I didn't understand how low I was actually, like the point I was in. I just didn't feel anything. I was numb. My only desire was to get my next fix, get my next high.
When I got to Teen Challenge, I felt overwhelmed. I was scared. I was broken. So broken that, once again, I didn't know. I had hit such a low in my life. I didn't know if anything could pull me out of it. But I came through here, these front doors, with an open heart to this program because I knew this was it. This is all I had left, life or death. And when I put my everything into here, I started to see the changes that truly were unfolding, little things that I never thought could happen.
In the beginning, it was only just for the 30 days. But in those days, things started changing, things started happening within myself, I guess, that just caught my attention. I didn't think I was gonna stay longer than 30, but I'm here, and it changed my life, this place, and what the Lord did in this place, and continue to do in this place.
I have joy in my life. I no longer have grief or sadness. I came into this program also with a lot of grief. I had lost a lot in my life. I walk around here with peace inside me, with joy inside me. I can see positive things instead of negative things. I turn everything that's difficult into something positive and what's going to come out of it. Personally, I can walk away from this program knowing that I have restoration in my family, that I have people rooting for me. And I know that the true test is finishing this program, being able to walk the walk, not talk it.
Every day is an opportunity for me to grow in some way, and the Lord has definitely given me an identity in Him that I don't no longer stay in an identity the world has given me. Of this either orphan or this person who wasn't trustworthy or a liar or a thief, manipulator. I'm no longer that person, and He's shown me this throughout my stay here. The Lord's teaching me how to be compassionate, trustworthy. I can now keep a word, like say I tell somebody I'm gonna do something, I do it, and that was never me before. The enemy tried to steal that from me with my daughter and I. But now the Lord's restored that, so when I see her, every single time I see her, I can honestly say my heart like flutters.
My relationship with Sophie is truly amazing. The way she loves God She glorifies him in everything that she does. Her prayer is absolutely amazing. It can move anything. But my personal relationship with her, as you can see, I'm tearing up. She is, she's like the daughter that and the things that she has just makes me grow. And I don't know, she gives me that drive. She's been there since the beginning, and we just continue to grow stronger and stronger, and I can take any situation, any circumstance that I'm going through.
How the relationship with Kelly in the program for me really affected me was in such a wonderful and positive way. Like, I can tell you myself, I got a tough personality to deal with. Kelly over here, she's got a personality about herself, like a compassionate, level-headed, like gentle, like person that I can actually like trust when she speaks to me. I know it's not out of anything but to help me. I know she's got pure intentions, and I know that what she says is like factual. It'll help me through life, because she's not only speaking from experience, but like I don't know, I got drawn to her. I can't really explain why. It's like, I can tell you like now that it's not easy for me to get drawn to anybody. I tend to not, but to Kelly it was different. Like, I trusted her. Without her in this program, I don't know where I'd be. I'd probably be snapping off of people. I'd probably be just doing whatever. So she definitely made the time here a lot easier for me. And I think she kind of like a lifelong friend relationship is what I have here with her now. So my name is Sophia.
My name is Callie, and this is our true story.